In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your Google Sites experience by adding a click-to-call button. This handy feature can bring tremendous convenience to users and businesses alike, allowing direct contact with just a click. Whether you're embellishing a personal project or tightening up a professional page, this guide will walk you through the steps smoothly and efficiently. Let's dive in and get started. First, we'll navigate over to Google Sites. This can be easily done by heading to your browser and typing in the address for Google Sites, which will bring you directly to the platform. Once you're there, you'll land at a dashboard where you can either create a new site or select an existing one. This is where we will add our functional touch today, a click-to-call button. Next up, we'll add this engaging button feature. For that, we'll need to grab a piece of code that makes it all possible. In the description box below, you'll find a link to ramanzeb.com. Give that a click, and it will lead you to a resource where specific HTML code for your click-to-call button is available. Simply copy that code onto your clipboard. It's going to be the backbone of our feature addition. With the code securely copied, head back to your Google Sites page. Here, look for the Embed option, usually found on the toolbar of your page's editing section. Once you click Embed, you'll notice two options. Select Embed Code. A box will pop up where you'll want to paste the code we just copied. But before proceeding to the next step, remember to edit the telephone number in that code to ensure it dials the correct number when the button is clicked. It's a minor yet crucial detail. Just swap out the placeholder number with the desired contact number. After you've customized the code to suit your needs, click Next. This step will show you a preview of how the button will look on your site, giving you an opportunity for any last-minute adjustments. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Insert to embed that feature into your page. Voila, the click-to-call button should now be perfectly placed and ready to use. And there you have it. You've successfully added a functional, accessible click-to-call button to your Google site. It's that simple. This feature not only makes your site more interactive, but can also significantly enhance the user experience, fostering better communication and engagement with visitors. Thank you for joining me on this brief yet enriching tutorial. Feel free to follow along with more tips and tricks to optimize your online presence with our future guides. Until next time, happy site building!